Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. Today I'm starting a new build, the NASA Apollo Lunar Roving Vehicle. Anyway, looks like a pretty good set. Let's get right into it. I'm just getting right into this. So there we go. Nice start here. We're just making one of these, I think. Okay, we got pins over here. And I need one of these. I'm also not making two of these, but wouldn't be surprised if we did, okay? Since there are two of those pieces with the axle connections, and pop that through there. Now this axle goes through here, and a collar on the other side. Yeah, so I think the wheels do quite a bit of transforming in this set. So this is a pretty neat set for that. It's like a bit of transformer in it, with the way the rover has to transform. Okay, let me put this here. Here we go. That's interesting. So that goes like that, and then we have an axle connector on this end. Okay, that's interesting. It doesn't move. Now what do they want me to do? They want me to put that axle there. Okay. Now we have two of these half beams. Let's see if we get that through there here. Like that. Okay, so that goes like that, and then we have this that has an axle connector on that end. And then we take, oh, we're supposed to take that first. Okay, that's supposed to go in first. And then we hook that through here. Okay, like that. Now we have a gear to go on this guy. On the short end, the little gear. And then a axle connector on the other side. Okay, now these two rolling pins. And what else here? Little red axle on the axle connector. This blue piece, yeah, that's what it looks like. And then, oh, we're supposed to put a long blue pin through here. And then that, okay, that goes through here. Wait. So we have it this way. Oh, this is supposed to stick like that. Okay. So this is over here. Okay, like that's like that. That seems good. A long black axle and this other gear. Okay, so this is supposed to go where? It is supposed to hook into that. So I gotta go through here. And it is supposed to rotate, so shouldn't. There we go. So axles. Now that should go through that one too. And into that axle connection there. Not sure what that is about, but it moves it like that. Okay. And then, okay, this is supposed to move it like that. Okay, now we have two more of these half beams and the white axle pin connection. The axle's through there. Oh, that's the wrong way. Axles go this way. And then a gray axle through here. Okay, and then the 90-degree. And two more half beams on the other side. And then this guy on the other side. Okay. Now, orange connection pin, which is usually for fitting stuff together, and let's go on the blue pins. Okay, that's like that. Take the other white frame and start just putting some pins in here. And we have this goes over here. We have axle. Well, one has an axle and one doesn't, so I guess that one is going to go here. Okay. That goes like that. And then this one goes over here. And then we have the T-tank beam there. Now the other one of these, I don't know, hand crank pins or whatever they are, or beams, and that goes like that. Same thing with the brown axle. And that's in like that. We have this guy here with the collar. Well, that's interesting. Is this going to be the same thing? Or almost the same thing? Why wouldn't it say make two if it's the same? It's not the same. Yeah, it's already different. This is different. So that's why. Okay, that goes there. That's good, and then we have this axle goes like that when there's no gear on here. Well, there wasn't a gear on the other side. What am I thinking? That goes like that. And then we hook the... Oh, we're putting the black axle through and hooking them both together. I'll make sure they're the same, I guess. That's probably what we're trying to do. Okay. And then probably hook the pins in. There we go. And now it should do both of them. Yeah, there we go. That is something. We'll find out what the something is later, I guess. And now there are two gray axles. Put them both through here. All the gray axles, I guess, go in here. Midpoint, I guess this is important. Keep that connected. And now L beams. Okay, this goes this way. It's the two-sided L beam. here, and then the orange pin goes in here. Okay. Little L goes up here, and it wants me to push that axle in there. Okay, axle in, we got that connected. Now we have 4 black pins on these corners. The white frames are kind of interesting, aren't they? Usually they're in black. So it's 4 pins, and then we have 4 more. Oh, we gotta put the pins on the 2-sided, double-sided L's. Okay, and those go on either side here. That pin just didn't want to go on there, I suppose. Okay, get it. There we go. Okay, those 2 are on. Oh, 20? 20. We're filling in all these with long blue pins. Okay, every pinhole gets a long blue pin on either side. Okay. There is that, like so. These are the shorter white beams, the 9 beams, in the middle with a red stud pin with a tile on it. Okay, and those go on the middle sections here. That's hooking those frames together a little better, I guess. Like that. And then the L beams going on the front and back. Now what's going in? Oh, we're putting more L beams in here in a different direction. Oh, this is maybe to allow some of that transforming functionality. Well, that's all those large L beams anyway. Then 4 large long white beams, and they go on every side. That tile is just there to provide a nice spacer there. Okay. Yeah, we see now some long blue pins. Those must be lined up nicely, I guess. I'm kind of thinking it is a bit weird with white Technic. I haven't really used white Technic, I don't think. Maybe in the Concorde there was some white Technic? Just trying to think. Not usually using much white Technic. Okay, it's 4 black pins. Where do the other... Oh, we're doing this twice. Okay, good job. Two, and then I have these gray axles. Okay. And these go on those black pins. They're there. And there. Oh, there's black pins there. Oh, apparently the other side they just went on easy. There we go. Like that. Probably pushing those down, right? No. Doing that first. Does not indicate I'm pushing those down, but I gotta be pushing them down, yeah. Those axles go down. Probably didn't need so many steps. Okay. Now, there needs to be more black pins, and they go on the top here. Right there. So I just gotta make sure I'm putting them on the right side. Okay. That is not the right side. So this is the side. Yeah, they're supposed to go over here. So I gotta take that one out. What are the chances there are more of them? I want to see if there are more that have to go in. Because that is usually what happens. It's like, so let's just get those two out. Okay, now we have 2 of these. 4 of these pins. And we're going to put those on either side through where the blue pins are. Okay. There's that. And now 2 more. Black pins on these. That's like that. And put those here. Those go on top. Okay. Like that. And like that. There. And there's 4 more black pins. Where are they going? Oh no, they went into those. Okay, never mind. And now we have the T's. 2 T's. They are going like so. Wait, make sure. Okay, that's this side, alright. Okay, there we go. 2 T's, 4. 6 pins. Oh, that's the last. Oh, not quite. There's 1 more pin, but it might be an extra. And those go. Okay, they're supposed to go right here. Lines up with that black pin on top here. And the pins are free on either side. Now we have two of the little L-beams. They are going on this side. Oops. Like that. And the two 5 beams are going where? That is a good question. What is it showing? Oh, they go on top of these. Okay. Oh, they go this way. Like that. And that is it. So that has been part 1 of my build of the NASA Lunar Roving Vehicle. We got the chassis done, looking pretty good. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.